Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to download AOL Mail on your iPhone. First, open your App Store. After you open your App Store, you can see search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and now click on the search bar on the top and type in AOL Mail. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official app for AOL. Now you can see this get button here. Click on get button. After the verification, your download will be started. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your download is completed, you can see open button like this. Click on open to use AOL Mail on your phone. So these are the simple steps to download AOL on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.